Welcome everyone. Now, in this unit number 2, association of attributes, we are going to learn proportion method. This is second method of this chapter. After this, we have only one method left. Okay. See, in proportion method, if AB upon B is greater than A beta upon beta, then A and B are said to be possess positive association. And if AB upon B is less than A beta upon beta, then it is called negative association. Similarly, both the values are equal, AB upon B, A beta upon beta, then two attributes are said to be independent or there is no association between A and B. Okay. So here is our first sum, question number 1. Discuss the nature of association between A and B by using proportion method. Okay, see, it is clear cut given that you have to use proportion method. Otherwise, you can use comparison of observed and expected frequencies. Okay. So first we need our table. So here is our table. First, for solution, write down A, alpha, B, and beta. Okay, you can also write B and beta here, A and alpha here. કોઈ એમાં ઇશ્યુ નથી, ગમે ત્યાં લખી શકાય. Total, and here also total. First of all, we have to prepare our table. Okay, n is equals to 500, putting 500 here. Then by A, total of A is 100. Then by B, total of B is 300. And alpha B is 220. Okay, 500, 100. અહીંયા કેટલા આવશે? 400. And here we have to put 200. Okay, so we'll get 500. Okay, now 400 minus 220. 180, here we have to put 180. Okay, for total 200, putting 220 here. And for total 100, put down 80 here and check 220 plus 80 equal to 300. Okay, now calculation. First, we have to find A, B upon B. See, AB upon B. Okay, sorry, not A, AB upon B. It is equals to self frequency AB, 80 divided by B. B equals to 300. So 80 upon 300, it gives us 80 by 300, sorry, not 900, 300 array, sorry, 300, 0.27, 0.27. Okay, now find out A beta upon beta, sorry, alpha beta, A beta upon beta, not alpha beta, A beta upon beta. A beta, self frequency A beta is 20 divided by total of beta is 200. 200 equals to 20 by 200 divided by 200, 0.1. Okay, now compare both the values. It is 0.10. Compare both the values here. AB upon B is greater than this value. So here we have to write our answer. Here AB upon B is greater than A beta upon beta. Hence, there is positive association between A and B. A and B. અહીંયા બ્રેકેટ કરો તો પણ ચાલે, ન કરો તો પણ કોઈ વાંધો નથી. Our second question is, using proportion method, find the nature of association between A and beta. A beta પૂછે કે A B પૂછે, બંને સેમ જ છે. And alpha B, alpha and B. Okay, for both the questions we need our one table. For solution, our 2 by 2 contingency table is ready. Write down A. Okay, અહીંયા પણ લખી શકાય A alpha. આ ટ્રાય કરો. આન્સરમાં કોઈ ફરક નહીં પડે. B beta. ઓકે, પણ જે આપણે પહેલેથી લીધું હોય એ રીતે તમે લ્યો તો વધુ સારું. A alpha, B beta, and total. Here also we have to put total. Okay, now fill up the values. A is equals to 130. 130. B is equals to 200. Putting 200 here. Then by beta. Beta is equals to 100. 100. And A beta is equals to A beta. A and beta here 55. Okay. First of all, 100 plus 200 equals to 300. Okay, now find out remaining cells. 300 minus 130. It is 270, sorry, 170. Okay. Similarly, 130 minus 55. 75. 75. 200 minus 75 is 125. Okay. And 55 minus 100 minus 55 equal to 45. And 45 plus 125 is equals to 170. Okay, now find out our two answers. Number one is A and beta. A and beta. K and B base same thai. A and beta. Find AB upon B. Okay. First beta is asking એટલે આપણે આ રીતે મેળવશું A beta upon beta. First value, sorry. A beta upon beta. કે B upon B મેળવો તો પણ વાંધો નથી. It is equals to 8. A beta is equals to 55 divided by beta is equals to 100. It gives us 0.55. Okay. Now find out AB upon B. Okay. AB upon B is equals to AB is 75 divided by B is equals to 200. So it may be 0.75, 155, 0.15, 75 upon 200, 0.38, 0.38. Okay. Now compare both the values. AB upon B, AB upon B is greater than A beta upon beta. Therefore, there is AB upon B is sorry, not greater than, less than. There is negative association between A and beta. Okay. Now our question number 2. Second question is asking about alpha and B. Okay. Wait. Number 2, alpha and B. Okay. So here for alpha and B, we need two values. First, alpha B upon B. Alpha B upon B. Upon B. It is equals to. Alpha B is equals to what? Alpha B is equals to 125 upon 200. 125 upon 200. 125 divided by 200, it gives us 0.625, or you can write 0.63. Then by alpha beta upon beta equals to, say, alpha beta is given by 45 upon 100. 45 divided by 100 equals to 0.45, and it is less than 0.625. Therefore, here alpha b upon b is greater than alpha beta upon beta. Therefore, there is positive association between alpha and b. Okay. Okay. Now we are taking some word problem on proportion method. Okay. Now word problem on proportion method is. So it is very important question. In one district of Gujarat, there were 100 criminals among 80,000 literate persons. In the same district, there were 16,000 criminals among 9,30,000 illiterate persons. From this information, decide the nature of association between literacy and criminality using proportion method. Okay, highlight this sentence: literacy and criminality, illiteracy and criminality between using proportion method. Okay, so first a equal to, we have to take literate peoples, then therefore alpha is illiterate people. B is equals to criminal, then beta is equals to not criminal. Okay, so first we have to prepare our table. Okay, so here is our table. First, write down A, alpha, B, and beta. Beta total. Here also we have to write total. Okay. Suppose A equal to literate peoples. Literate, then alpha is equals to illiterate. B is equals to criminal. Beta is equals to not criminal. Okay, now putting the values. First, in one district of Gujarat, 1,000 criminal among 80,000 literate persons. So total literate person is equals to 80,000. Among these 80,000, 100 are criminals. So here we have to put 1,000 criminal. Okay, in the same district there are 16,000 criminal among 9,30,000 illiterate people. So total illiterate peoples 9,30,000. Okay, among these 16,000 are criminals. So illiterate and criminal is equal to 16,000. Okay, now find out the remaining values. Okay, first of all, here we have to put 17,000. Okay, 80,001 minus 1,000 equal to 79,000. Okay, 30,000 minus 16,000 is equals to 9,14,000. Sorry, not 14,000, and plus 79,000, 9,93,000. Okay, plus 17,000 equals to 10,10,000. ચેક કરી લઈએ આ બાજુથી 80 plus. Okay, બરાબર છે, ટેબલ પ્રિપેર થઈ ગયું. Now question is asking for A and B. Find out AB upon B. AB upon B is equals to AB 1,000 divided by 17,000, total of B. So 1,000 divided by 17,000 equal to 0.06. 0.06. Okay. Similarly, find out a beta upon beta. A beta upon beta equals to A beta is 79,000 divided by 9,93,000. Okay. 79,000 divided by 993,000. 0.08. 0.08. Okay, so AB upon B is greater than A beta upon beta. So here AB upon B is greater than A beta upon beta. Therefore, there is positive, sorry, not greater than, less than. Okay, there is negative association between A and B. Okay, આનો ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન શું થાય છે કે A ઇક્વલ ટુ આપણે લિટરેટ લીધું, B ઇક્વલ ટુ ક્રિમિનલ. એકચ્યુઅલી આપણને ઘણાને ક્વેશ્ચન થશે સર ઇલિટરસી અને ક્રિમિનાલિટી પૂછ્યું છે તો એ રીતે નહીં લેવાનું, ટેબલ આ રીતે બનાવવાનું. ઓલવેઝ A and B આર પોઝિટિવ. ઓકે, લિટરેટ પીપલ એન્ડ ક્રિમિનલ નેગેટિવ, એનો મતલબ એવો થાય જેટલી ઇલિટરસી વધશે એટલા ક્રિમિનલ વધતા જશે. બરાબર છે, ઓપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શનમાં ચેન્જ થશે. અને મીન્સ લિટરસી ડાઉન જશે, ક્રિમિનાલિટી અપ જશે, એટલે ઓપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શનમાં ચેન્જ થાય છે. ધેન ધેર ઇઝ નેગેટિવ એસોસિએશન બિટવીન A એન્ડ B. ઓકે, સો આઈ હોપ કે પ્રપોર્શન મેથડ પણ તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે. Now in next video we will take our last topic, Yule's coefficient of association.